Hi, this is Goggett. This is second part to my slow cooker brisket pinto beans my way video. And the beans have been cooking about 4 hours on high. They're ready. They smell great. I'm going to show you how they come out. Take the lid off of it here and set this to the side. And here we have my brisket pinto beans. And as you can see, I tell you what, they smell delicious. And it's got the gravy in there, and also has the brisket. I'm just going to take a little bit here. Just going to give them a little sample. This is the way they come out, and I'm going to give them a taste here. Let me put the camera back. See if they get my seal of approval. Oh man, those are perfect. And the brisket, it's delicious. The onions bring it out. It's wow. Hope y'all give this a try. It's not hard to make, real easy. You could put the slow cooker on in the morning, leave for work, come home, they'll be ready. This is Goggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Hope you give this a try, and y'all take care. I got some beans to eat.